Hi, I'm Craig with ApplianceVideo.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at the user interface knob on this Electrolux front-load washing machine. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. A faulty user interface knob can result in a couple of different things. You'll find a lot of different error codes for communication error codes which will correspond between the UI knob, the selector user interface, and the main control. The most common reasons why you replace this knob is if the unit isn't illuminating on certain sides, maybe the knob is cracked, or when you turn it, it's just kind of stiff. To begin,
click on the link below to view this repair video. ApplianceVideo.com guides you step by step, giving you the confidence to avoid recalls and callbacks, also saving time on repairs. Whether you're up against an uncommon repair or the latest appliance on the market, our videos have been created with you in mind. Our growing library of videos have been produced using our factory-certified technicians who have extensive infield experience over the past 30 years. ApplianceVideo.com provides high-quality repair videos that anyone can follow, regardless of their skill level. We are here to help. Click on the link below to view this repair video and let us help you do it right the first time.